Hey, I got some exciting news for everybody. We're going fishing here around San Pedro, California with the boys from Lifelike Plastics. That's Ronnie and Greg. Hey boys, what's going on? Are you guys excited?
What's happening, Phil?
I can't wait, Ronnie, Greg. Man, you guys are all rigged up and everything. This is going to be good. This reminds me of the Mike Gardner days.
Yeah, it's kind of, sort of like that, huh?
And the dog will be joining us also today. So here we go. Come along for the adventure, everybody. I want to see if this is going to be good. Greg's going to try to get off the boat. Here we go. Look at Ronnie expertly gets him in here.
Yeah.
Not quite, though. There's still a chance for a fail.
There we go.
Oh, unfortunately,
Be right back.
no excitement. All right, everybody, we've traveled about 3 minutes from 22nd Straight Landing. We are fishing right now. We'll let you know if they start biting. Lifelike Plastics, we're throwing them right now. Ronnie, Greg, and the dog. All right, Greg, what are we using here?
Right here, I've got a 3/8 ounce neck breaker paired with a hand pour that I made yesterday.
Yeah.
It's just kind of a test bait. It's a 4-inch bait tank series shad. It's kind of just, I tried to make something just to like mimic the, the little bait fish you see around the boat docks.
Yeah, right.
Kind of jazz.
Yeah, I think you nailed it, man.
Yeah, we're gonna see how it works. Hopefully.
All right.
Yeah.
And then you're going to make a cast, and I want to see the retrieval. How do you work that bait?
I just roll this back really slow. I mean, I'm getting kind of far away from the shore now, but
Yeah.
just throw it out.
Okay.
Let it sit. Click it. I just slow roll it, and I'll just drop it. I'll click the reel out of gear, and just because to adjust for the water.
Point your rod tip down, and is that the retrieve right there?
Yeah, just slow.
Okay.
This is why I fish these.
Yeah. Fishing around these pilings. This is prime bass territory. Spotted bay bass, sand bass, calico bass, maybe even a halibut. We are right where we want to be for a good bass. Ronnie! We got a bass here. Man, we haven't been fishing very long. A little one. That's okay. Let's see that jig in there.
On green belly shad.
Green belly shad to the rescue.
Look at the red eye.
Beautiful. Nice. Ronnie's on. Another sand bass. We're on again. Heck yeah, we do. What do you got, Ronnie? Oh, nice spotty. Check it out.
Yep.
Beautiful.
Green belly shad spotty. Yep.
Green belly shad spotty. Let's see that gorgeous fish. Nice going, Ronnie. Man, I wish we had more time today because we're catching them.
They're so feisty.
Yeah. It's a good little chunk.
Heck yeah, that's beautiful.
Green belly shad. Quarter ounce neck breaker.
Right, Greg's on.
Yeah, a little sand.
Look at that. Little sand bass.
A little dinky.
That's all right, man. It's way too much fun doing this. They're biting. This could be a good one. What do we got?
That's a little better.
There it is, sand bass. Nice sand bass.
They pull us out.
Yeah, go ahead.
Very nice.
Choked it.
Ronnie, what bait is that?
That's Calico Special.
Calico Special.
Calico Candy. There
Calico Candy. I like that even better. All right, let's see that. Beautiful, beautiful. Nice going, boys.
Got smoked.
The other day, my daughter was fishing a little fishy like that,
Yeah.
like a 4-inch. She caught 22-inch white sea bass.
Really?
Really?
Wow.
Hey,
I don't want to go swimming right
I
now.
appreciate you, brother. Yeah, really nice to meet you, gentlemen.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah,
Jay, nice meeting
you as
you.
well.
Pleasure.
Friedman Outdoors, baby.
Yeah, thank you.
Freeman Adventures.
Friedman Adventures
Watch Shop
and
Shop
Lifelike
Confessions every
Plastics.
Monday night.
What's that?
Lifelike
Shop
Plastics.
Confessions.
All right.
Spotty, man. That's going. The dog with a spotty. Nice one, dog.
There you go, buddy.
You did it. And Anthony. Lifelike Plastic Spotted Bay Bass. Beautiful.
Destroyed.
That's a gorgeous fish, man.
Definitely gonna have to put a new one on.
All right.